Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can update your HSBC Bank mobile banking app on your device. So without further delays, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, open the Play Store app on your device. Now on the top search button, type for HSBC Bank mobile banking app. Tap on the search button and you'll be able to view the results. Tap on the app that you've installed according to your reason. Here I'm going to tap on the HSBC UK mobile banking app. Now on this page you'll see two options, either to uninstall or open. Here if you have an update available, you'll be able to see an update button instead of the open button. But since the app is already updated on my device, it shows the open button. But if you have an update available, all you'll have to do is tap on the update button and wait for a few seconds, and your HSBC mobile banking app will be successfully updated. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.